Where we at?
Kontiki.
Kontiki. We are getting us some food, y'all. What did we get, Kim?
Got the jollof rice and stew. Of course, we know Sierra Leonean jollof is the best.
What you get, Tinika?
I'm sorry, there's a liar at the table.
Jollof one. Jollof one.
Best one from Benin. I don't know. You can't judge until you taste the Beninese one. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, okay? If you want some fresh jollof, without the tomato paste, without the Maggi cubes, okay? If you want it fresh, avec crevettes, avec tomato, come to Benin.
What's it?
My neighbors are from Ghana, and I was like, "Oh, you're from Ghana?" I was like, "Oh, that's nice." But you know, Benin has the best jollof rice. I just want to let you know. If we're gonna be friends, you gotta accept that. If you. So at Esnon's birthday party, we had jollof rice. And it was a cookout, but we had rice. Everything we have is always rice.
There's gotta be a rice.
And they all destroyed the rice. I was like, "Oh, so who has the best rice though?" And they were like, "I mean, it was alright." I said, "Oh yeah."
S is the judge.
I can't wait to taste this food. Can you play the drums? Yeah, go for it. Go, Essie. Go, Essie. Yeah, buddy. Yeah.
Fritters.
Okay, so these are the banana fritters,
Yeah.
but they call it rice what?
Rice akara? That's
Yeah,
what
rice
it's
akara.
Oh, I didn't know that's what.
Yeah, Tanika, right? Yeah.
Oh,
So we're gonna try this, you guys.
And Benin, they're banana. And to the people to Brazil and everything, they learned about their food, and they brought back those who came back. They brought back things like beignets and the sweet fried things that they eat, but it's not a typical part of their food. She wasn't meat. Oh, you got some? I didn't. Oh,
Those are good.
I
I like the sauce.
that's also lit.
The sauce is hot.
So these are kind of sweet, and the sauce is more like a savory. These are good. You like that? Did she eat any of these?
yeah, she didn't like it. She wanted this meat.
She's a. There you go.
She likes seasoned man.
You know that's right.
Her, was it Gina? Her cousin. Like, that's not you like meat too much.
Seasoned food. Okay.
Oh, you putting the Kontiki.
Oh, she like, I don't feel explaining all this, you know.
I don't
Just
know.
watch it. No, they didn't.
Nah, we went to Central.
I was doing no nothing. All you want to do is
We're talking about Kontiki and where they got the name and all that on the TV. The Kontiki Voyage. Y'all look it up if you don't know.
We had to.
I know.
No, right?
Hey y'all, this is my food. It's the rice jollof and chicken and stew and some vegetables. And this is the one of the banana fritters that I still had left. Okay. That chicken look lit.
It's always better. That's good though. I believe. It's good.
Nah, I'm good. It's cooking hard. Y'all like any of my food? It's good.
What you got? What kind of? Oh, this is the chicken that was in the stew.
For that to be stew, y'all got a little bit of. It's like a dipping sauce. I thought y'all was gonna get it like in a bowl, like a. She's like, that's the stew.
That's it. That's all you get today. It's got to stretch.
Get a spoon? Get a bowl? I thought that was the pepper that was on the side.
She said, that stew got to stretch today.
The church crowd coming in too.
You think I gotta pee? Fishes and loaves up in here. I put fufu and stew. Feed 2 million.
Oh, man. How's your chicken?
Good. Some parts are like really tender.
That's the good part. What do you mean, been there? Have you ever had like, I don't even know how to describe it. Chicken. The chicken's here. Chicken's tough. I had to eat it, so my mother was like, She kept asking for chicken. And then afterwards, I don't want no more chicken. Oh, dude. She got dramatic when she eat a chicken. We'll be like, yeah, the chicken live a long time, so
14, 15-year-old chicken. That chicken got arthritis.
Oh man. Y'all are too crazy.
Oh.
Oh yeah, some spice. It's like this had just enough spice for me. It's starting to like kick in now.
like, how many different boosters is it? Which is in Europe, right? What language is it? Universal African language.
Want some rice?
Igor, you had to drop the I'm African card.
Like, I know what I'm talking about.
Oh. Thick accent, man. Where do you think he came from?
South Carolina.
Kontiki.
That smells like it came from Sierra Leone. Nice and strong.
How you say it like that?
I do. When she came out here, she came with a whiff of it. And that's the authentic food. Our food smell like America. You go to the back of the kitchen and get that.
Yeah, I got the same bag of vegetables at home in the freezer. But it's alright. It's a little bit of spice. It's enough spice for me. It's not enough spice for y'all. It's alright.
I could go up a little.
Yeah, I know you can go up.
The oil does down the spice.
Ah.
They put a lot of oil in it. I ain't Yes.
How are you enjoying your food?
It's very good.
How are you enjoying your food, Tinika?
It's delicious and nutritious.
How are you enjoying your food, Igor?
It's okay.
It's just okay.
Fine.
Essie, you enjoying your ice? You better tell us some history, Kim. What you say? Say it again. I wasn't recording.
Yeah, my baby boy, his name is Marshall, after Thurgood Marshall, who was the lawyer in this case.
But we love you. Rest in peace, brother.
R.I.P. Thurgood Marshall.
And we got Tinika back there with her camera. We got Igor and Essie. They by the sign. We're about to walk up the street to the historic Central High School in Little Rock, Arkansas, where the Little Rock Nine had attended to try and desegregate the school systems. So that's what we're doing on this Martin Luther King weekend, holiday weekend. Yeah, so we're gonna get to walk in some cars coming, so I'm gonna step out of the street so I don't get hit. All right, y'all. So here is the school, guys. Little Rock Central High School. This is like the front of it. It's big. It's pretty big school. Let me zoom out a little bit. Hi.
Wow, it's huge.
This is a pretty school.
Yeah.
You said it reminds you of Central, the high school that we went to a high school named Central in
PG County.
Yeah,
Maryland.
I want to say DC in Maryland, PG County.
There's a really good documentary. I'm sorry, I have this cough drop. There's a really good documentary on HBO, and it's about how all these years later, this is a school within a school. How there's the accelerated college track, and then the school for the regulars. So.
And you were saying that reminds you of our school back home in Maryland.
It was, because we got to have really good education if you were in the IB program.
Or humanities.
And it was a neighborhood school in the middle of the hood, and the rest of the school wasn't. It wasn't.
That's sad. I'm laughing because how she said it, not at what happens, because that's pretty sad.
I mean, they found a gun in my Spanish classroom.
Wow, that's crazy. Anyway, I'm just walking down these steps trying not to fall, guys. All right, that's the school behind me, guys. Can y'all see? I'm shooting with my phone, and I hate shooting with my phone. I hope you guys are having a happy Martin Luther King Day weekend. Rest in peace, Dr. King. Thank you for having a dream and not being afraid, because we all have dreams and things we need to do. Everybody's called to do something, so thank you, Dr. King, for not being afraid to do what you were called for. But yeah, y'all, there you go, Central High School, Little Rock, Arkansas, with your girl Kendra from Kendra Productions. Hey, you guys, wave. Hey. All right. This place was huge. I could only imagine what they were thinking. Imagine if this was your first day in a new school.
And the National Guard had to be there.
National Guards, you had guns. They had their guns and people yelling at you, throwing stuff at you, cursing at you. And look how big it is.
I know.
It's not like a little bitty school. This is like...
It doesn't show how big it is in pictures.
Wow. This is crazy.
This is perfect for this Martin Luther King Jr. weekend. Say thank you to all of our ancestors.
I'm so grateful for you guys and you guys' families, the Little Rock Nine.
Those who came before us.
This is like, whew.
So that we can walk. It says ambition, personality, opportunity, preparation.